Want to make extra cash from your phone? Today we cover 3 free apps that pay real money and practical tips that can help you earn more. We'll walk through how they work, how you get paid, and real tips to increase your daily earnings. Before we jump in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future money saving and earning guides. All right, let's dive in. Quick note: these apps can pay via PayPal, gift cards, bank transfer, checks, or even crypto. Earning up to $100 a day is possible for some power users, but most people will see modest daily gains. Results vary by effort and opportunities. Let's start with FreeCash and how quick tasks and small offers can add up if you plan your time strategically. FreeCash offers short tasks like playing games, completing offers, and taking quick surveys for small payments and points you can redeem. Tasks vary from a few seconds to a few minutes. Offers typically pay more but require downloads or trial signups, while surveys pay per completion. FreeCash payout options commonly include PayPal Cash, Visa, or Amazon gift cards, and cryptocurrency. Gift codes are usually delivered instantly after cash out. Payout timing depends on method. Gift cards and crypto codes are often instant. PayPal can be minutes to a few days, and bank transfers may take longer. Maximize FreeCash earnings by focusing on high-value offers, completing daily bonuses, using referral links, and tracking time spent versus payout rate. The second one, branded surveys, is a straightforward survey platform that rewards users for completing market research questionnaires and profile matches. Surveys vary in length and pay. Many platforms use a points system that converts to cash at a set rate. Complete profile surveys to qualify for higher paying opportunities. Payout methods typically include PayPal, direct bank deposits, and gift cards including Amazon. Check each option's processing times before selecting cash out. Survey platforms usually process cash outs between instant to several business days. Bank transfers and some gift cards can take longer to appear in your account. To maximize branded surveys, complete profile updates, prioritize surveys with higher per minute rates, set aside focused blocks to finish multiple surveys, and enable alerts. Now, the third app is InboxDollars, which combines surveys and simple online tasks to earn a small but steady income over time. Tasks include watching videos, reading paid emails, trying offers, and surveys. Each task pays a small amount, and the totals add up with consistency. InboxDollars payout options commonly include PayPal, gift cards, or paper checks. Checks are an option for users preferring mailed payments. Payout speed varies. Gift cards and PayPal can be near instant to a few days, while mailed checks take longer. Always verify minimum cash out thresholds. Maximize InboxDollars by combining cashback shopping with surveys, claiming daily incentives, completing short videos during idle time, and using referral bonuses. Now, let's do a quick summary. FreeCash excels at quick tasks and offers. Branded surveys focuses on paid questionnaires. And InboxDollars mixes surveys with cashback and emails. Combine these apps to fill idle moments. Use one for quick tasks, one for focused survey sessions, and one for shopping cashback to diversify earnings. Tell us which app you tried or which tip you'll use in the comments. Your experiences help others learn what really pays off. If this was useful, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and good luck earning!